Hello crafties, today we are doing DIY stickers. For this we need pen, colors, scissors, sellotape and plastic sheet. So let's start. First we will need a paper. We have to draw any drawing you want to draw to make some stickers. I'll draw mountains, scenery. We have to draw small like this, and then we have to color it. Done. And now we have to put sellotape on this drawing. I am putting sellotape. Like this. Now cut this, but let this border be there. Like this. And now we have to paste this on the plastic paper. First put it where you want to place it, and then place it with some sellotape like this, and our DIY stickers are done. I will show you one how to stick it. So I have this book over here. I'll stick something from here on this. So I will stick moon. So first we have to remove the sellotape of the sticker like this, and then place it wherever you want. Done. You can make more stickers. You can make stickers theme based also. Till that, bye.